goes. Oh my God, you riding this thing always puts a smile on my face. Hey, how are you? That's nice. But it needs some tires and rear drum brakes either need to be adjusted or replaced. That's what it needs. Hard to tell, but just looking at it, the sprocket looks good. Trip meter, you can just zero it out on the fly. That's awesome. Yeah, so I'm getting about 37, 38, and that's with me kind of getting on it a little bit as I get used to this bike. For me, this is more like a sporty naked bike than a cruiser. Kind of looks like a cruiser, but you know, you sit in a nice upright position. It's very smooth and really quiet because the still has the stock exhaust, which hasn't been drilled out or anything, and I don't have the heart to do that. Easy it is to start and how quickly it runs. That's amazing. Very clean every time I ride it, park it. No oil drips, no nothing. It's just awesome. Yeah, like I said, all the lights, everything works. Yeah, I'm getting about good 37, 38 miles a gallon after getting on it a lot. But I mean, it's just a, you know, how can you not like the look of this thing? You're sitting on a 4-cylinder. It's only 750 cc, but it's like, it has not a lot of weight to it, and this thing goes. And I keep saying it is smooth. It is, these old carbureted bikes are smooth when you ride them, and that electronic fuel injection is not cutting that fuel on and off. Every twitch of the throttle, you really appreciate these old school bikes and how smooth they are with their fueling. Yeah, it's a simple bike, awesome bike. You know, it'll be here forever. All right, let's ride it some more before it rains.